Guys, this is your daily update for MULN. So E-Trade is glitching hard right now. E-Trade is glitching so hard right now. Look at this. It says $100.06. It like literally has yesterday's prices. It says that AMC's crashing, GME's crashing. It was doing this morning before the market opened, but it fixed itself. This is the first time I've seen it glitch during market actual open. So like the indexes are moving, but let's see what AMC's price is. This is crazy, man. If you haven't bought MULN yet, MULN, time sensitive. Look, it's up 3.16% today. But E-Trade just can't get their shit together. The numbers going cray-cray. So here's the thing. Yesterday, I made a video. It was clear and obvious. Right, they brought out the ringer, like the stock market ringer outside of Elon Musk. Elon Musk, the only one that can move a market better, Ryan Cohen. And they say Ryan Cohen just YOLO'd into Bed Bath & Beyond, bought $60, $70, $80 strikes on Bed Bath & Beyond that expire in 1 year. And it's only at a $15, well now it's at a $20 price. Same time, energy goes up 100 to 200 to 400% depending on the company you're looking at. And then the only other thing in the market that's green outside of those two plays is MULN, the smallest market cap stock with an option chain, twice as small as when GameStop started. So GameStop's market cap was $50 million when it started in 2021 at a $3 price target. Well, this market cap is $25 million at a $1 price target. And the market cap's all that matters when you're squeezing a stock. Like, so it's twice as cheap market cap. It is also, if you look at the gamma interest on my last videos where I show you all the gamma interest. So all the open interest, all the call options that people are buying every day there's anywhere from $300,000 to $700,000 going into these option plays, call options, and the rest of the market's crashing, and that means something's crashing the market. The only times the market really crashed and they were like, oh no, what do we do? Oh, let's pass a stimulus bill. Every single time GameStop exploded and hedge funds went bankrupt, they passed a stimulus bill. They never once said it was for that. They never once told you that they paid money off to make the stock market not crash. But if you go track the days, every single time. Yeah, so my E-Trade's glitching on top of everything. Energy failed. CEI. If you got into this play yesterday, 2 days ago, you made 100% yesterday. It might have been 200%. And then if you got into this play today or yesterday, it went from, these prices are wrong. This isn't right. E-Trade's glitching right now. And so the chart is accurate, but the pricing's not accurate. So what I mean by that is it went from $1.06 today to like $2. So almost another 100%. And then it dropped. And right now it's down 16% and it's at like 90 cents. But E-Trade's glitching, so I have to go to Google to show you. Okay, so it's at $1.12, but it's down 12% today from the open. So the open was $1.67, the high was $1.98, the low was a dollar. And the close, I believe, was, the previous close was obviously 128. Oh man, so energy failed. If your bet was on energy and you're like, oh, energy's going to the moon, the whole world's collapsing, war, panic, everybody watch out. You failed already. This is the proof you failed. So really the last two plays left is Ryan Cohen with Bed Bath & Beyond or MULN. And one of these two stocks are going to squeeze very, very high. We might get 1,000% day. It's not going to destroy the stock market. It's not going to send the stock market to zero. It's going to hurt it. The reason the stock market's struggling, it's real volatility this time. It's getting fought against this time. MULN is going to hurt it. Expect more blood in the market. That's a for certainty. But some people might think they might trust Ryan Cohen, the greatest CEO of ever, gonna change the whole world. I can't believe they brought him out like that, to go buy 400% out of the money call options and show it to the world and say, I just bought this shit. Everyone join me. That is so weak. You've never heard of any, ever. You've never heard of a politician or a CEO ever buying call options that were 400% out of the money. This is the first time ever. Oh, this is stupid. So yeah. If you looked at the Reddits, the short squeezes, everything, they said oil, oil. Like, you say anything about MULN and you're getting shat on. And everyone's like, it's obviously going to be oil. And then they come and they threw yesterday's gains in our faces. And they said, see, we told you oil's making more money. I said, well, let's talk tomorrow and let's talk the rest of the week, bitch. They won't be back by the end of the week. Oh, E-Trade fixed themselves. You see how everything just got fixed? That's awesome. AMC's, we see the real price now. So let's see what CEI says. Oh, CEI still down. Yup. Mad volume. Oh, man. You might be able to make money in energy in a slow, incremental way. 20% a day for the next 5, maybe even weeks, honestly. And then it's going to have a long down draw for maybe 6 months. Like, if you're going to bet puts, bet like 6 months out, really deep out of the money, and you could probably make some good money. But why worry about anything like that? Why make your life so stressful? And why not just YOLO everything you freaking own into the only sure thing, which is MULN? Everything else they're creating right now. They're making it a problem to make this less of a problem. That's a fact. They're trying to mitigate their risk on this problem that they've identified. So it has to go up. This is where you put your money now. If you got $100,000 to your name and you never put in more than $10,000 in stock, this is the time you put $100,000 into the stock. When it goes to $3, take your $100,000 out. Now you don't have any risk and you're up $200,000, and let's go ride this bit to $10. It's probably going to $10. Now they have a lot of dilution. So I'm not telling you that this is going to crash the market to zero, and I'm not telling you that this is going to mow us right now. What I'm telling you is they've got themselves in a problem. They had the AMC YouTubers push it because they found it as an opportunity. They saw an opportunity within the problem, and that's AMC. And that's a whole nother conversation, but that doesn't matter right now. Nothing's going to happen with that right now. AMC's going to crash when this rockets. So just put AMC away for now. Put everything you got in MULN. Take out your 100% once it goes up 300%. Put it back where it was, and that way you have no risk. You probably are going to be able to average down wherever you were before. And then let your 200% play. And every time you hit really good gains, cash out half of it and put it where you think it should be going. And I'll make videos about that too. The first 1,000% is guaranteed, people. You're so dumb not to buy in right now. 1,000%. I can't tell you what happens after that. But 1,000% is coming in.